Mr. Neutia, Mr. R.S. Sodhi has joined us. Mr. Sodhi, welcome to Z 24 Ghanta. Mr. Sodhi, Eastern India, especially Bengal, is very strong as far
Thank
as
you.
food processing is concerned. So, would like to request you to kindly share a few crucial best practices on branding and marketing.
Thank you. Thank you, Ji. And thank you, Shri Harshvardhan Netia Ji. It's my privilege that मुझे आपने उड़ान में Z 24 कलाक में अपने गुजरात से अमूल से अपने विचार रखने का मौका दिया. Well, देखिए, East rises, sun rises in East too, and so is the food consumption and the interest for eating more food. देखिए, अमूल की जो बात करें, अगर मुझे ये बताना हो कि what is the one reason for the success of this iconic brand, when you say iconic means the ageless brand, already it is more than 75 years old, and generally there are very few brands which you can count on your finger which are there, exist from last 75 years, and not only exist but growing at much faster growth rate than the previous decade. So one word for this reason for success of branding is basically consistency. Consistency in our business philosophy, which we say value for many, value for money, where providing day after day stable and remunerative price to the 3.6 million farmers who are giving milk. So they invest more, they are very motivated and encouraged to continue in dairy even in their next educated generation. The second consistency is basically quality and recipe. Sorry, in value for many and also providing very, very tasty, best quality product using the most natural ingredients and with the latest technology to process and packaging, but at value for money. You see, India is a country of lower middle class. So we have seen a reason for success of Amul is that Amul is able to cater to the masses, but brand is not like any lower image. The second is consistency in quality and recipe. When I say has got the same recipe, same quality, but 60 years back we had produced it. The third very important, I think you all know, is consistency in communication. From day one we have adopted umbrella branding so that we have to invest minimum in advertising, but whatever branding or product positioning we have chosen, we have continued. You know our utterly butterly delicious topical campaign where polka dotted Amul girl comments on anything happening in Hollywood, Bollywood, politics, sports, anywhere. And it is for last 56 years we are doing consistently. Then mid-90s we adopted positioning of Taste of India, Amul the Taste of India, we are continuing. In 2000, Amul Doodh Pita hai India, so we are continuing. So that is where we have seen that consistency in communication. And fourth important is consistency in our HRA. I mean, I am very lucky. I am working with the Amul for last 40 years, and it's my first job. So is my other team members. All the top team is on their first job. So this consistency in HR resulting in purity of DNA.
Absolutely.
The DNA which our founders have given to the organization, and we call it professional DNA. As a offspring, you get biological DNA, but as the offspring is of our organization, we get the professional DNA of Dr. Varghese Kurian or Tribhuvandas Patel, who have founded this Amul. So I think these are the basic reasons for making and creating, continuing growing of this ageless, iconic brand of Amul.
Mr. Sodhi, I come to you. You know that in the last 2 years, digitization has taken a new meaning in our country, and online delivery of all sorts of products have become very, very important. How do you see this impacting Amul and your kind of organization, particularly in the food processing sector, both digitization as well as online delivery? How do you see and how are you combating it?
Well, thank you, Mr. Newty. A very, very good question. I think when it comes to digitalization, we only think digitalization in our business process in plants or in, like you said, food delivery. So let me first answer. In the last 1.5 years, digitalization or e-commerce has doubled. I mean, whatever we used to sell before, it used to be just about 2 to 3% of our home delivery of various dairy, but now it is 7 to 8%. But let me tell you, that is not the purpose of digitalization. In any food, digitalization is impactful, which starts from farmer's end. You see, digitalization has to start from farmer's end, then it has to go for all logistic thing, then to the processing, then distribution, then to the consumer. I give you example of milk. In case of milk, each of 18,600 villages in Gujarat or around more than 1,000 villages in West Bengal are fully digitalized as far as milk procurement is concerned. As soon as farmers is pouring milk, automatically quantity and quality is checked, and the SMS will go to the farmer or message will go on his app that how much milk he or she has given, how much money has been deposited in farmer's account, and the same message will go to the processing unit and the milk van that how much milk has been collected at a particular village cooperative society. Similarly, all trucks collecting the milk have got digitally connected with the plant. So you can do the route planning, what milk is coming, what quality is coming. In processing, like any other plant, fully digitalized. More than that, services and artificial insemination is also digitally. As soon as if farmers has got his cow or buffalo is in heat, he has to just send message on the app. Automatically message will go to the concerned veterinarian and he'll come with 1 or 2 hours for the artificial insemination, and automatically after 1 month a doctor will come to check whether pregnancy is there or not. Similarly, in case of veterinary services, if your cow or buffalo is not well, you have to just send the message in app. Afterward, doctor will come
really
to you.
Wonderful.
It is only in case of cows and buffalo the doctor is coming to your home. Yeah. So like similarly distribution of our all products, they got distribution management system where our product is reaching to 1 million outlets through totally digitally connected. And during COVID, we developed our Amul card where retailer can order the products to Amul and the nearest distributor will supply. So I feel it today, digitally connection right from grower to consumer is most important to bring transparency, efficiency, trust. So without that in food,
Absolutely.
it is very difficult to grow now.
এখন নিউজ দেখুন আপনার সময় মতো, আপনার হাতের মুঠোয়, রাজ্য দেশ দুনিয়া। ডাউনলোড করুন জি 24 ঘন্টা অ্যাপ, এক ক্লিকেই পান সব আপডেট।